Big Rain Coming by Katrina Germein. Illustrated by Bronwyn Bancroft. On Sunday afternoon, old Stephen nodded to the dark clouds spreading in the south. "Big rain coming," he said. But on Monday, there was no rain. The night was so warm, Rosie's kids dragged their beds outside to maybe feel some breeze while they slept. On Tuesday, there was still no rain. The panting dogs at Roberta's camp dug themselves dusty holes to keep cool. Wednesday came, and still no rain. The children swam in the billabong after school. The water was warm and still. By Thursday night, there was still no rain. The fat green frogs huddled around the leaky tap on the rainwater tank. Then, on Friday evening, the thick grey clouds over the hills were echoing with thunder. "Big rain coming," said Stephen. But there was still no rain. On Saturday, there was rain. Wonderful, cool, wet rain.